Let's now talk about tools that you could use to design your screenshots. As we've seen earlier, it's a good thing to be able to add benefits or features on your screenshots. And when you do that, it's usually good to have a device showing how your app looks inside and features or benefits on top or bottom. But doing this is not easy if you take a picture of your own device. It's not going to look professional. So I want to show you a tool that does that very well. It's called MockUPhone, MockUPhone.com. It's a free tool. I like free tools. So what I did as an example, I took a screenshot of the Apple map on my device or on the simulator, and I'm just going to show you how I use that to create new screenshots. So using the free tool, this is what I created. I picked an iPhone 6 and added the screenshot to it, and after that I did a blue background and added some dummy text on top of it. Here's the same screenshot with the same device, but this time it's tilted. So let me show you quickly how I do that with a MockUPhone. So here what I have is the basic screenshot that I did using the simulator in Xcode. And I'm going to go to the web and MockUPhone.com. And here, as you can see, I have different devices that I can choose. That's the iPhone 6 Plus, the iPad, the iPhone 6 are here. Got the 5S. So just for information, they have almost all of the. I don't need the pop-up. No thanks. All of the iOS devices, and even some of Android phones, Windows Phone, TVs. So let's go back to the iPhone 6. And usually when Apple adds new devices, they're pretty quick to add them to the list, which is great. So here I'm going to pick a white iPhone 6. So I get my screenshot that's already here. And I can just drag it here. And as you can see, it's tilting between the different angles. So these are all the angles that I'm gonna get as a result. So I'm generating the output, and here's how it's gonna look. So from there, I can download it by signing up for the email. I'm gonna enter my email, and I'm gonna show you the results. Now we're back to the download folder, and I received by email, which I downloaded here, the mockup.zip file that the website sent me. So I'm going to open it, and here we go. Open. So I have all of the images that are being generated of all the different angles. And there is no question about the quality of how the device looks. It's going to look perfect because they did the pictures of the device ahead of time. You just have to add the screenshot. So what can I do from there? I can pick the angle that I want. Let's say that one. And then I can right click and I can open it with Acorn, which is one of the graphic tools that I was mentioning. Where did it go? Here we go. So now I have this, and I can decide to change. The background and pick another color. I can do other things. I can add text. I can resize it. So the image that you're getting is not the size of the screenshot. You have to resize it to exactly fit the specification that Apple is giving. But that's all you have to do. Otherwise, you can add a different background. You can add text. You're free to do that, but you already have a device that looks professional.